of the event. Easy. So it's 7-6 all orange one here with Josie in the second. We call him Dr. Dro. And Trenton. Stephenson getting it wrong with that. Oh, Derek is getting better. And they're right down where they started again. But Rowan is checking out now. Already coming up. Little Mark, we are right there behind you in that green and blue, Little Mark. Oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed, by 16 hours, it's pretty slippery out there. More so lately.
1 minute left.
So 1 minute to go here, 1 minute to go. Oh, Drew gonna get it wrong on the backside. And here comes Trin. Trin gonna get it wrong on the backside. We got 45 seconds to go.